here we come to the North Tower elevators at the Sheraton Hotel in downtown Dallas. I have to talk over the music for copyright reasons. Anyways, these elevators used to be Dover until these were modernized by Montgomery Kone. But same fixtures, same everything. So these are the North Tower elevators. Go to 32. Go view that Montgomery Kone sign. Similar cab like the other one. My ears already popped. These are your innovation decorator fixtures. Anyways, I'm gonna turn my camera off as soon as the door opens because I don't want to keep spending a lot of my energy just talking and talking and talking. I need to save my voice. So anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.